subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Nubia has launched its new gaming smartphone in China called Red Magic 5G. Talking about the specifications, the Nubia Red Magic 5G supports a 6.65-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 19.5:9 aspect ratio, and it is the world's first gaming phone to feature 144Hz screen refresh rate along with the 240Hz touch reporting rate. Under the hood, the device is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset paired with Adreno 650 GPU. And in order to protect the phone from overheating issue, the company has added liquid cooling system along with the advanced air cooling system that spins the fan at 15,000 RPM. The smartphone packs with 8, 12 or 16GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 128 or 256GB of UFS 3.0 storage. As per the camera, the Nubia Red Magic 5G supports triple camera setup on the rear, which includes a 64MP main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 8MP super wide angle lens and 2MP macro lens. On the front, there is 8MP selfie camera with f2.0 aperture. In terms of software, the handset runs on Android 10 out of the box with Red Magic OS on the top. For gaming, there are two icy shoulder buttons on the right edge with up to 300Hz touch sampling rate, and it also has 7 dock points on the side that allows to connect additional accessories. The device comes equipped by 4500 mAh battery with 55 watts fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 168.56 by 78 by 9.75mm and it weighs around 218 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The Nubia Red Magic 5G has been priced in China for 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage variant at 3,799 Chinese yuan. The second variant with 12GB RAM plus 128GB storage option is priced at 4,099 Chinese yuan. The third variant with 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage option is priced at 4,399 Chinese yuan. And the top end variant with 16GB RAM plus 256GB storage option is priced at 4,999 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in black, Mars red, cyber neon color options including transparent edition, and it will go on sale starting from March 19th. So, what do you guys think of this Nubia Red Magic 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.